I've got a topic that is pretty, well, you would think common sense would dictate to show up in court when you have a scheduled court appearance, but as of late, I've had a couple of people that have failed to show up in court, at least on time, and they were 1 or 2 hours late. One, it makes me look very embarrassed. The judge is always asking, where's your client, Mr. Franklin? And I have to tell them, well, either one, I don't know, or two, they slept in. And it makes you look bad ultimately. I can't lie to the court. I can't say that you're out of town and your plane broke down or something. I have to tell them the truth. And yet I can't violate the attorney-client privilege as well either. But in a generic term, hey, they're late, they're on their way. I can get away with that. But my point in this whole video is, please, when you have a scheduled court appearance with your attorney, whether it's me or anybody else, let them know if you're going to be late. Let them know if you're not going to make it and it's a true emergency. This isn't like a doctor's visit where you can change it on a whim. You have to show up, and if you don't, a warrant will issue for your arrest. And the problem is that when a warrant issues for your arrest on a traffic matter, your license gets suspended because of defaulted tickets, and when it gets suspended, you may not know if you haven't changed your address on your driver's license in years. Your license gets suspended, you get pulled over, and then you get mandatory jail. That's a consideration. Plus, having a suspended driver's license on your record, at least according to insurance adjusters and agents that I've spoken to and underwriters, is as bad as having a reckless driving or a DUI on your record. And you don't want that to happen. So please, if you're told to go to court, show up in court and dress. You don't have to dress with a suit, but dress nicely. Don't be wearing sleeveless shirts and holy cutoffs and frayed cutoffs, things like that. I know it's hot in Arizona in the summer, but please dress accordingly. It is a courthouse, and you want respect, at least from the court, even though maybe you weren't given respect in your arrest. It's just something that it's appropriate to do that. It makes all of us look better when I'm making an argument, especially first impressions in front of a judge. Thank you. If you have any questions or ideas for these video topics, please email me at lawyer@chuckfranklin.com. That's lawyer@chuckfranklin.com. And I'll consider your topic, and maybe you'll see yourself on my video channel.
For more videos or to learn more about your rights, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube page, or visit us online at chuckfranklinlaw.com.